So my Range Rover Sport, my front seat is making this weird clicking sound, and when I try to move the seat, it's acting weird. Remove this front cover under the seat. It's pretty tough to pull off. You have to pull pretty hard on it. These metal clips on the cover can be pretty stubborn. There's a big white connector in the center here, and remove that. There's a tab in the middle. Push down on that and pull. That should stop the clicking noise. After you remove the plug, just leave it unplugged overnight. So now it's in the morning. Let's see if it worked. We'll plug it back in. Make sure you push it in good. That's a good sign, no clicking noise. The seat works normally. So now you can just reinstall the cover, line up the tabs with those openings, square low openings, line it up and give it a good whack. Secured. Turn the ignition on, run the motor, and check to see if all the mirrors are working. They are. The clicking sound appears to be gone for good for now. The seat is moving, backrest moving. So it looks like we're done. Thanks for watching.